Hey, I'm John Crestani, and way back when I actually started my business from scratch as well, this was back in college. I had just read this book, The 4-Hour Work Week, and I was like, this is what I want to do. I want to start an online business. I want to travel the world. I want to make lots of money, have tons of fun experiences. But if I was in your position today, now I make over $500,000 per month in my business, and you can look up stories about me on Forbes and whatever. But I'm going to go through in this video just being super real with you. If I was starting from zero, here's how I would go about things, okay? So hopefully this helps. If you like this video, or if you have any questions, make sure to like it and ask your questions in the comments. But I'm just gonna blast through these 5 things right here. So the first thing I would do is quantify your time and quantify the amount of money that you are willing to invest. Write it down, okay? Seriously, get real about this, because can you spend 2 hours a day creating your online business, or, and how much can you invest? Can you invest $1,000, $2,000, $10,000? Because this is real talk. It's going to determine what sort of business you can start. If you have only $5,000 and you want to start an Amazon business, see you later. It's not going to work out. If you aren't willing to spend a lot of time, let's say 2 hours a week, you're not going to be able to start a social media consulting business or a coaching business. It's not going to work out. So you need to be real and literally, really quantify this. Write it down. This is how many hours I have. This is how much money I have to invest in creating a business here, okay? Next thing I would say is know your strengths and your weaknesses. So if one of your weaknesses is you hate talking to people, okay, you hate doing customer service, you hate pitching clients or doing sales, starting a social media agency is not gonna be your thing. You may have watched a webinar from Sam Ovens, or you may have subscribe to Tai Lopez's videos and you find him funny. Both of those guys recommend you start a social media marketing agency. But if that's your weakness, is you don't want to talk to people, that's not going to be a business for you. That's not going to be a business you're going to survive in. You're not going to be able to handle it. Don't play to your weaknesses. Never play to your weaknesses. There's a ton of types of businesses you can start, and it doesn't make sense to play to your weaknesses. Now, for instance, if you are good at, empathy and graphic design, or maybe you're good at copywriting and writing really funny, interesting things. If that's your strength, affiliate marketing might be for you, because affiliate marketing, a lot of what you're doing there is writing ads and getting ads that are catchy, that make people want to engage and buy products. So if you can do that, then that will be a great place for you to be. Now, if you are just allergic to money and you are very bad at working for yourself, you have no focus, and you can't even motivate yourself to really focus in on a business. If you're just not a self-motivated person, that's fine. Go out there and, be a freelancer, find project-based or task-based work on Upwork.com, something like that. But know your strengths and know your weaknesses. Write them down. For instance, another one is Amazon. If you're good at project management and accounting, that's great for Amazon businesses, okay? Or business development is great for sourcing products on Amazon. But know these things, be aware of them, because each different type of online business, I've been naming a few, has different qualities, qualities of the people who succeed in them. Now, L stands for learn, okay? Learn about the different business models that are out there. There are a lot of different ways to make money online. You could start an ad agency, you could be an affiliate marketer and write ads, you could start a social media marketing agency, you could do consulting or coaching. There's a whole wide range of things you can do, freelancing, etc. So learn about the different business models, subscribe to channels such as, mine. I talk about different business models, subscribe to other people's channels, learn about what business models that are out there, but when you decide on one, focus on it and really go deep in that one thing, okay? When you're learning, test the waters, but when you're ready, go deep. But keep in mind, there's a learning phase and then there's a going deep phase. D stands for diary. And I don't mean actually write a diary and some foo-foo stuff in live journal, oh, I got so sad today, my girlfriend broke up with me. No, what a diary means is I'm talking about basically know and measure your KPIs. If your business is affiliate marketing, for instance, the only way you're gonna make money is if you're launching ads out there to the public and seeing what people think of your ads. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to make sure that you're launching 5 ad campaigns a week. Keep an Excel spreadsheet of it, or keep an actual notepad and write down when you launch an ad campaign. If you're trying to start a social media marketing agency, keep tabs of how many people you reached out to that day to actually become clients. Let's say you've got to reach out to 25 people a day to grow your business. Make sure you're reaching out to 25 people every day, but quantify yourself. Don't be flimsy. Just because you're working for yourself doesn't mean you can't measure. You have to measure yourself. You can't start a business by just being totally free. If you really want to make it as an entrepreneur, know what your KPI is, key performance indicator, whether that's reaching out to people, whether that's writing ads, whether that's researching and sourcing products on Amazon or whatever that is. Make sure you know that metric and you quantify it every day or week, whatever that is, to make sure you're making progress towards that goal. You'll eventually get better and you'll optimize things. Your first ads might fail, your first outreach as a marketing consultant might fail, but you'll get better over time if you measure yourself and know your numbers. The last item here is conferences. I actually think conferences are very important for making things real. Every industry has conferences. Affiliate marketing has conferences. Amazon sellers have conferences. Consultants or social media agencies have conferences. Freelancers have conferences. And these are great places to go meet, mix, and mingle. Have a beer if that's what you're into. Eat with people, have a coffee, and just learn about real other people's experiences in the field that you're interested in going into, because that'll make it real. It'll give you both, the motivation to, if you see that other people are actually making money in this field, but it'll also help teach you and give you a network of people to start surrounding yourself with. You are the 5 people that you surround yourself with. And if you surround yourself with other consultants or other ad agency owners or other coaches or other affiliate marketers, you will become one of them through osmosis. But you have to surround yourself physically with those people. And I know it sounds weird, but it becomes